I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the door closest starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity?
Good morning everybody, and welcome to day 2 of self-isolation. And Jethro and I, literally today we have no intention of even leaving our place or like changing out of our pajamas. Like, we're proper self-isolating today. I'm just gonna have my coffee. We're probably just gonna watch an episode of like Friends or something quickly, and then the plan for today is to clean this place, like bleach it, like even the door handles, the fridge, alles. And then Jethro's looking at me very weirdly. He's like, that's not what you said. But legit, that's what I want to do today. And then I really list for pancakes today, so I think we'll make some pancakes too, just to be like productive and do stuff while we are self-isolating. But hey, welcome to isolation day number 2.
Can you hear my voice? Coming through the noise. I'm floating through outer space. I'm lost and I can't find a way. Oh, all the lights going dark and my hopes destroyed. Help me, is anybody there?
Okay, so crumpet making is about to happen. Decided on crumpets instead of pancakes, and Jethro's doing the dishes. Say hi.
Hello.
Jethro's on dish duty, and I am about to start with the crumpets. Those crumpets were so damn good. so good. Jethro couldn't have any though because they had egg, and yeah, he's vegan, so he couldn't eat them, but they were so good. But yeah, this was a short and sweet vlog, just like doing chores around the house during lockdown and pretty much what we do on a weekend. So it's about like 4 p.m. now. We're probably just gonna watch some Netflix and take an afternoon nap, because that's what you do on a Saturday. But thanks so much for watching the vlog for today, just hanging out at home and seeing what we get up to. But yeah, till next time, bye guys.